say Chef of Expression back with another one, Bafethu. Let me just take a moment to say, Bafethu, thanks for your subscriptions and whatnot, Bafethu. We just hit 800 subscribers, Bafethu. I feel blessed, Bafethu. So today, let's get on with it. Today what we're doing chicken feet. I'm gonna do two kinds of chicken feet. I'm gonna make them deep fried and I'm gonna cook them, right? So for your deep fried chicken wings, for your deep fried chicken feet, what do you need? It's your yogurt. So this is your marinade for your chicken wings, chicken feet. Why I keep on saying chicken wings? Chicken feet, Bafethu, right? You need your yogurt. Pour your yogurt in there. I've got my oregano here. I got paprika. I got Portuguese chicken spice and some Cajun, right? Pour it in there. I got some salt and pepper here. I got red Tabasco. Don't put too much of that. Then I got some honey. Honey I'm home. Just a teaspoon. Then mix it all together. Put in your chicken feet. So this will maybe let's sit it maybe for like you need to sit it maybe for an hour or so, or maybe even overnight is better. So to make this video quick, I'm just gonna sit it there and take everything away. We're gonna come back to this just now, just for the marinade to soak in there, right? So now we go into the next part of our video, right? These are for cooked chicken feet, right? So what I have in front of me, Bafethu, I got some dry chilies, paprika, Cajun, cumin, and dry oregano and coriander, dry coriander, some chicken stock, a bit of thyme, mixed peppers, fresh rosemary, onions, garlic, and some fresh coriander. So I got my pre-boiled veggies and pre-boiled chicken feet. This is just to make the video quick so that I don't take a long time cooking. So yeah. So what you need first, make sure that your pan is hot, like as always, Bafethu. Put your oil in there. Let me lower it down because it was already heating up. First, the chicken feet. Mix that together now. The chicken feet. Then some salt on there. Just toss them around just to give them a bit of color and to soak up the salt, because I didn't put an thingy, right? Some onion, put your onion, a bit of garlic in there. Now, all of the spices, whey at the same time, right? So, now you put in your barbecue sauce. It will come together just now, okay? You'll see. Let it soak in that barbecue sauce. Some fresh rosemary. I need a bit of oil here. Right? Now, I boiled my chicken feet in this water. So this is the stock of the chicken feet. Just deglaze your pan a bit. Not too much, just to deglaze. Keep tossing them around. You can even do it with your tongs. See, now the color is getting better on your chicken feet, right? Maybe I can add some temp in there. Let me finish off the barbecue sauce. Sorry. So you'll see, if your pan gets dry on the side, just deglaze again. Do not put like all of your stock at the same time, right? This is to make your thingies, your chicken feet. I don't know why I keep thinking chicken wings. Your chicken feet, just to get them the taste, the flavors in, right? You're logging in the flavors right now. You're not really cooking anything. You're just logging in the flavors of your chicken feet, right? So now I can tell, like, okay, maybe my thing is my chicken feet are fine now. We can now put more chicken stock in there. Hoy in your flame so that it can cook up fast. Let me just use my spatula to take off all the excess sauce there. So Bafethu, today most of you are gonna say, "Hey, Mara, when I chef, you a hypocrite." So wonder why I say that, right? Cause I'm using some of the ingredients that I've been mocking. Yeah, like your brown onion soup. I'm gonna use brown onion soup here. So put on your peppers there. This shouldn't take long, eh? Shouldn't take long at all. Put on your veggies. And now, this is my brown onion soup, Bafethu. So I made some brown onion soup earlier. Put it in there, Bafethu. Put your brown onion soup just to thicken it. And you know, really, it has a flavor. Don't just use the brown onion soup alone in the chicken feet. Make them look nice. The flavors are miswell, Bafethu. So you see now, it's starting to thicken up. Right? Some fresh oregano, some fresh coriander. Then my taste. See, there's that sweetness of the thingy, of the barbecue sauce in there. And now, because I'm almost done now, some salt and some pepper. Yeah, you can serve maotwana with rice. Bafethu, maotwana we can serve them with rice. This ones you can eat them with dombolo, rice, pap, stampa, what else is there? Mealie rice. Yo, I haven't heard people talking about mealie rice in a while, eh? Do you even know what a mealie rice is, some of you? I used to love mealie rice with some, my mom used to make mealie rice with some soup. I think I need chili in here. I think I need more chili in here. But hey, that's my taste, right? This is just the base. So my chicken feet are done, Bafethu. I can just finish up my herbs in here. Just like that. Just like that, we're done. Right? So now we're moving on to the next part of our video. The next part of our video. Part 2 of our video, Bafethu. So now we're making our deep fried chicken feet. Right? Let's go. So I'm gonna make a side of these potatoes. Just gonna put it in there. Put it in a deep fryer. Put it on a medium high. And now we're gonna take our chicken feet. They've been marinating in there, Bafethu. Just gonna wait. There's some breadcrumbs, Bafethu, ne? it's easy to make a breadcrumbs buffet to just dry up bread. After drying up bread, put it in a blender. That's it. Or you can even buy at what's that store? Spar. I know they sell breadcrumbs there because they bake every time. Right? So I know you heard about chicken wings, chicken feet being grilled on the flame, but I wonder if you have heard about the deep fried. I don't know if you have seen them before or tasted them before, but they easy buffet too, and they taste nice. So now I put them in a thingy on a medium heat, right? On the medium heat, you see my potatoes are getting ready there. Let me just wash up my hands. So buffet two, potatoes getting ready, chicken feet getting started. Let's see you when we come back buffet two when they're done. I'll show you what to do with the potatoes. Say, we back buffet two. Potatoes are done, and the chicken feet are done as well, right? So I'm just gonna put it there, leaving them there for a while. Take your chip spice, throw them in there. Take your peppers, put them in there. Some onions. Perfect, you can do it whatever way you want. I'm just basically showing you what you can do with your potatoes. Don't just serve them up like that. So this is the onion, the potatoes. I have some sauce here, chili sauce. It's a Prego sauce. You can use any other chili sauce you want. Pour them in there like that. You can use anything you want buffet to, herbs, spices, whatever, right? So let's plate them up. Nice fried potatoes. Then here's our chicken feet. Serve them up like that. We done buffet too. Let's plate up the other chicken wings, chicken feet as well. So this you can eat it with anything buffet too. I think they'll be better with rice though, not pap. Or maybe logo koning go di chisa nyama ya go di deki the pitori ba bolela ba re go di deki buffet too. Have it like that, go deki have your pap here, and let's go buffet. Can you? Except buffet too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe buffet too. Thanks to all the subscribers buffet to the Manyora. Except